Hello, my friends, I have captured the Changan Uni-T Sport version, which is more sporty than the ordinary version, both in appearance and interior. Added to the exterior is a very sharp sport kit design, a brand new design of sport surrounded by 360 degrees widened body. The face features a borderless grille with 150 diamond-shaped elements, while the sides are very dynamic. The body and waist lines are smooth and dynamic, with 20-inch smoked matte blade wheels. The rear uses a V-shaped spoiler and 4 exhaust trim to lift the feeling of movement. When entering the car, it adopts dual 12.3-inch central control screen and full LCD instrument screen. Equipped with SuperFast chip, the car owner will automatically brush his face when getting on the car, and the car will automatically call the car settings and provides panoramic images and other practical configuration. It is powered by the latest Blue Whale 1.5T engine with a maximum power of 188 HP and a peak torque of 300 Nm matched with a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Powered by Blue Whale Series 20T turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a maximum power of 233 HP and a maximum torque of 390 Nm. It will be matched with an 8-speed automatic transmission from Ison and equipped with a catapult start mode. The front wheel is McPherson type independent suspension, and the rear wheel is multi-link type independent suspension.